My name is Mary Brown. I've been here in the Heber Valley for about 24 years, and I started a cleaning company about 23 years ago. We have all aspects of cleaning. We do owner-occupied homes, we do Airbnbs, we do residential, commercial, and second homes are one of our priorities. I'm a professional, and I have created a company here in the Heber Valley and currently employ approximately 30 employees that are taking care of homes and businesses throughout this area. You know, I think Heber Valley is a great city. I've watched it grow a lot in the last 24 years. But the valley's growing, and there was lots of room and opportunity for me, and it's a beautiful place. One of the greatest things I like is helping people, and so I know that that's a burden that a lot of people carry, and with two family owners cleaning nowadays, I like to take a little bit of that stress off of their plates and make it easier to be at home.